Hello children, this video lecture is of exercise 11.4 of class 7th. In this video lecture we will discuss question number 8, 9, 10 and 11 of exercise 11.4. Okay, this is from NCERT book. So the question number 8 is Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeters. Suppose this is a circular pipe and Pragya wrapped a cord. Suppose this is the cord she wrapped around the circle and the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter and cut off the length required for the cord and the length she required for the cord, she cut off that length. Then she wrapped it around a square box. Then she wrapped this cord around a square box. She wrapped this around a square box. Suppose this is the square box of side 4 centimeter. Its side is 4 centimeter and she wrapped the cord around the square. So they are asking, did she have any cord left after wrapping it over the square? So let's discuss. Suppose this is the circle and this is the square. She wrapped the cord around the circle. So the radius of circle is 4 centimeter, it is given. Length of cord around the circle will be the circumference of the circle and the circumference of circle is the 2 pi r and 2 pi is given, that is 23.14 and r is 4 centimeter. So after solving we will get the length of cord around the circle is 25.12. Now she wrapped this cord around the square of side 4 centimeter. So side of square is 4 centimeter. So the length of cord around the square will be the boundary of the square, that is the perimeter of the square, that is 4 into side. So 4 into side is given 4, that is 16 centimeters. Okay, since we can clearly see that the length of cord around the circle is greater than the length of cord around the square. So did she have any cord? In the question they are asking, did she have any cord? Yes, she saved the cord and the length of the cord she saved is equals to 25.12 minus 16, that is 9.12 centimeters. Now let's move to next, that is your question number 9. The question number 9 is, the adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn. This is the figure and it represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed. This is the circular flower bed inside in the middle. Okay, this is the circular flower bed in the middle. Find the area of the whole land. They are asking the area of the whole land. How will you find? Its shape is rectangular, so its area is length into breadth. Length is 10 and width is 5. So 10 into 5, 50 meters square is the length of the whole land. Second part, they are asking the area of the flower bed. This is the flower bed and it is circular in shape, so the area of circle is pi r square. As you know, the value of pi is 3.14 and radius is given 2. So it is 3.14 into 2 square, that is 3.14 into 2 into 2, that is 12.56 meters squares. Now in the third part they are asking, find the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, which means they are asking this much area only. The area of lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Okay, so which means they are asking this much area. How will you find? You will subtract the area of the flower bed from the area of the whole land. So the area of whole land minus area of flower bed will be the area of lawn excluding the flower bed, that is 50 minus 12.56, that is 37.44 meter squares. Now next is the area of the flower bed, sorry, the circumference of the flower bed. Circumference means the boundary of the flower bed, this boundary of the flower bed, and the boundary of the circle is, what is the formula of boundary of circle? That is 2 pi r. So it is 2 into 3.14 into r is 2, so it is 12.56 meters. Always remember, the perimeter of the circumference is always in meters and area is always in meter squares. Now let's move to question number 10. The question number 10 is, in the following figures you have to find the area of the shaded region. So this is shape is given and you have to find the area of this shaded region. How will you find the area of this shaded region? This shaded region, we don't know what is the shape of this shaded region, but what we can do, we know that this complete is a rectangle. Why? Because this is 18, this is also 18, this is 6 plus 4, 10, this is also 10. Opposite sides are equal, therefore it is a rectangle. And if we subtract the area of these two triangles, these two triangles from the area of this complete rectangle, then we will get the area of this shaded region. So the area of shaded region is equals to area of what? A, B, C, D, this rectangle, minus area of this triangle, triangle AFE, minus area of this triangle BCE, area of triangle BCE. Now as you know, ABCD is a rectangle, so its area is length multiplied by breadth, and the area of triangle is half into base into height, and again here half into base into height. So length and breadth of rectangle are 18 into width is 10 minus half area of AFE. Here base is 10 and height is 6 minus half. Here in this triangle base is 8 and height is 10. Okay. Now calculate. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So it will become 180 minus 30 minus 40. So it is 180 minus 70, that is 110 centimeters square area. So the area of this shaded region is 110 centimeters square. Similarly, we will do the next part, that is we will do our next second part of question number 10. That is, now we have to find the area of this shaded region. How we will find? In this is a triangle, but we don't know what is its base and what is its height. So what we'll do, we will subtract the areas of these three triangles. We will subtract the area of these three triangles from the area of this complete square. This is a square. Why? Because all the sides are 20 centimeters. So the area of shaded region is equals to area of PQRS. PQRS this complete minus area of triangle PQT minus area of triangle this TSU minus area of triangle QRU. Okay. If you subtract the area of these three triangles from the complete, you will get the area of shaded region. So area of PQRS is a square, that is 20 into 20 side multiplied by side, minus area of PQT, that is half multiply base is 20 multiply height is 10, minus area of TSU, that is half multiply base is 10 multiply height is again 10, minus area of QRU. Here the half into base is 10 and height is 20. Now solve it. 20 into 20 is 400, minus it is 2 tens are 20, 10 into 10 100, minus 2 fives are 10, 5 into 10 50, 2 tens are 20, minus 10 into 10 100. So you will get 400 minus 250. 400 minus 250, that is 150 centimeter square. So area of this shaded region is 150 centimeter square. Now let's move to last 11th question. It is find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral. You have to find its area. Okay. And what is given? This is given AC is 22 centimeters, BM is 3 and DN is 3 centimeters. So as you can clearly see, this to find the area of this quadrilateral, can we add the area of these two triangles ABC and ADC? So clearly area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC, this triangle, area of this triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, because if we add these two triangles then we will get the complete area of quadrilateral, plus area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABC is half into base is this AC, that is 22 is given, into height is BM, that is 3 is given, plus area of triangle ADC half into again base is given 22 and height is given 3. So now solve it. 2 11s are 22, 2 11s are 22. So it will become 11 3s are 33 plus 11 3s are 33. So 33 plus 33 is 66 centimeters square. Okay. So with this your exercise 11.4 completed. Thank you.